I will explain about the role of the teacher in the future. Our society is currently in the era of digitalization. The digital age has elements of technology that impact the circulation of knowledge in aspects of human life. Can technology replace the role of teacher in learning? The answer is, of course, no. Here are several reasons why the role of the teacher cannot be replaced by technology. 1. Interpersonal relationships between teachers and students are needed. The relationship between teacher and student is based on empathic and deep human interaction. Teachers can explore information more depth through interpersonal relationships with students to help teachers and students overcome various learning obstacles. 2. Teacher creativity is needed in learning. The presence of teacher creativity in learning shows that teachers are competent in developing teaching materials or lesson materials, creating an exciting atmosphere, and modifying understanding immediately according to the desired learning objectives. 3. Teachers' emotional intelligence is needed. With the emotional intelligence, teachers can understand themselves and their students to create good collaborative relationships. Furthermore, teachers will be able to make positive contribution to their students. A teacher's emotional intelligence is reflected in a persuasive attitude, good leadership, being able to communicate well orally and in writing, being a good listener, and having an empathic perspective. 4. A holistic assessment is needed. Holistic assessment is an assessment carried out on students as a whole. Teachers can see students' development holistically in cognitive, affective, and psychomotor aspects. Based on this holistic assessment, teachers can provide feedback on students' development in every aspect. 5. The need for learning based on cultural context and values. Teachers are responsible for introducing cultural context and values into learning. The era of globalization and digitalization, which is very open, allows for the exchange of idea and culture in every aspect. This is called intercultural. What is emphasized in interculturalism is a deep understanding and respect for all cultures and the values contained in them. Interculturalization encourages students to understand identity and diversity better. In closing, I say that teachers are irreplaceable hope. The conclusion of this statement is the role of teachers in the digital era is very significant. What differentiates a human being who educates from a technological device or artificial intelligence is this: a feeling that is not manipulated by technology. The teacher has a sense of sympathy, empathy, compassion, and tolerance. The teacher's goal is not just to transfer knowledge, but also to guide, direct, motivate, and evaluate a student's learning process. The role of a teacher as a learner is undoubtedly a role model for students. Technology or artificial intelligence cannot fulfill some things, namely being a facilitator, inspire, motivator, imaginative, creative, forming work teams, and developing character values. Teachers cannot be replaced by technology, but teachers who do not master technology will be replaced. Thank you very much.